Alright everyone, so let's talk about Intel's graphics cards, specifically the highly anticipated Arc Battle Mage series. Rumors about their launch in December have been swirling for weeks now, but guess what? Those whispers are looking real legit. Here's why. An Intel B580 graphics card just popped up on Amazon. Yeah, you heard that right, Amazon, and it was a complete accident. This accidental leak is stirring the pot, and honestly, I am here for it. So, what exactly happened? Well, the tech detectives at Videocardz spotted a listing for the ASRock Intel Arc B580 Steel Legend before anyone else. And, oh boy, this was not just a name drop. The listing confirmed some juicy details, starting with the most eye-catching feature, 12 GB of GDDR6 memory clocked at 19 GHz per second. Now, Intel clearly learned a lesson from the drama surrounding Nvidia's RTX 4060 and AMD's Radeon RX 7600, where 8 GB of VRAM just wasn't cutting it. By bumping up to 12 GB and pairing it with a 192-bit memory bus, Intel is saying, hey, we're not just here to play catch-up, we're here to compete. This setup hints that the B580 could be a solid choice for both 1080p and 1440p gaming. Now, let's talk about power. While Nvidia's RTX cards have moved on to the new 12 VHPWR connectors, which, let's face it, not everyone loves, Intel is keeping things simple with two traditional 8-pin connectors. Each of these delivers up to 150 watts, plus another 75 watts from the PCIe slot. That means the B580 can potentially draw up to 375 watts. This is a good balance for gamers who want power without the headache of replacing their power supply. The ASRock Steel Legend looks slick. It's got this clean white aesthetic with a backplate featuring a flow-through design, kind of what you'd expect from modern GPUs. As for the inputs and outputs, you're looking at 3 display ports and a single HDMI connector. Pretty standard, but it gets the job done. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Amazon listing for this card included a pretty blunt description that reads like an unfiltered press release. ASRock literally said, B-series pixel pushers, more excitingly known as Battle Mage, will be the best graphics cards Intel has ever made. Yeah, okay, that is a pretty bold claim. It goes on to say, the Xe2 architecture has been redesigned from the ground up to avoid the chaos of Alchemist. A little shade at their own first-gen GPUs? Sure. But hey, we appreciate the honesty. So what does this mean for performance? Well, the Xe2 architecture, Intel's next-gen GPU tech, has already made an appearance in their Lunar Lake laptop CPUs, showing solid improvements in frame rates. But desktop GPUs are a whole different game. We'll need to see real-world benchmarks to know if Intel can deliver on the hype. And let's not forget pricing. Intel's first-gen Arc A580 launched at just $179 in late 2023. If the B580 lands anywhere near that price range and competes with Nvidia's $300 RTX 4060, Intel could make serious waves this holiday season. A budget-friendly powerhouse? Yes, please. With the B580 popping up on Amazon's US storefront, an official announcement from Intel seems imminent. My guess? We'll be hearing more in the next few weeks, if not days. And honestly, Intel's timing is brilliant. Both Nvidia and AMD have been locked in a battle for mainstream gaming GPUs, and this could be Intel's moment to grab the spotlight. If they get the pricing and performance right, the B580 might just be the best holiday gift for gamers everywhere.